Hi, I'm Paula Slavin, CEO of Personalized Video Ads. Clients are often confused how videos can be personalized. That's why I've put together this explainer video. And yes, you're seeing me here, but that doesn't make it a personalized video. Personalized video means whoever watches the video would be part of that video. That means you. You would be part of my video. Let me explain. Do you remember the days of Marketing 101 when we were told that writing handwritten notes would add a personal touch, that they'd make clients feel important, and that by doing so would be a differentiating factor? Well, just imagine that handwritten note in the form of a video, where every video you send to your clients or prospective clients would be addressed just to them. Imagine acknowledging them personally right in the video, but unlike handwritten notes, you can send out thousands of videos at the same time, and each one of them would be unique to that viewer. You might be thinking, oh, what? How can you do that? Well, all I can say is it's magic, and Fortune 500 companies paid big bucks to figure that out. Now that same technology is available to small and mid-sized companies and without breaking the bank. So you'll just have to see it to believe it. Before we get there, however, let's address some nagging questions you might have, like, why would I want to do this? Well, we all know that video is king. People want to be informed and entertained visually because it's simply more enjoyable than reading. Retention is also vastly improved, and of course, you can actually see what you're getting. But what do you do when everyone starts using video and that uniqueness is now the norm? Well, you offer a differentiating factor. There's that word again. You engage your viewers not only with professional videos, but when their names pop up in the video, they're hooked. They not only pay attention, but they'll watch it to the very end. Those Fortune 500 companies knew they'd discovered a marketing goldmine when sales started going through the roof. One company even saw a tenfold increase in sales by using personalized videos, and now we can do that for you. Another question you might be asking is, well, why such an impact? Here's another Marketing 101 tidbit, if you'll bear with me. We were told that in the days of direct marketing with brochures and letters that it would take 7 touch points rather, before a prospective client would trust you. In today's cyber world, that has increased to 15 times, and it's climbing. Personalization is the quickest way to shorten that cycle of trust building and branding. You might also ask, well, how will you help me get more business? In addition to personalization, we add validated lead generation right in the video, as well as links to your website. Whether or not your would-be client or prospect takes action on your website, you're still going to capture their contact information right in the video. And that opens up a whole new world of prospective client list building and opportunities to reach out to them for even more targeted ads. And that whole process turns tire kickers into clients. Another bonus, personalization not only makes everyone feel important, it keeps prospective clients on your website longer. We all know the importance of Google rankings. Anytime a site visitor lingers on your website or your webpage, Google rewards you. Here at Personalized Video Ads, we've discovered that viewers are so engaged with their videos, they not only watch them to the very end, they watch them multiple times. In a recent video ad, our analytics showed that 80% of our viewers watched the video again. And in fact, 15% of that group watched it 4 to 9 times. That's a lot of return for just one video ad, and Google loves that. So, who uses personalized video in their marketing? Video personalization actually works almost anywhere. It works for customers, B2C and B2B. If you have a product to sell, video personalization is the tool of choice. Typical customers include realtors, mortgage lenders, insurance agents, lawyers, dentists, physicians, chiropractors, hotel hospitality management, event planners, construction, roofers, spas, even dog groomers. Any business that wants to increase the number of clients they serve, video personalization is the tool. And to understand then how this all works and how you would work with us as a client, check out the next video, and we look forward to seeing you there.